Are you looking for a budget price studio microphone kit? Then stick around. I think you're gonna like this review. Welcome to another episode of Dad's Den Reviews, where my motto is work smarter, not harder. I take everyday, average technology that you and I might use, and I review it for you, the watcher, to determine whether or not I think it is worth making a purchase. I also do food reviews, so if you're into either of those things, consider subscribing below. And as always with all of my videos, everything that I discuss, even all the equipment that I'm using, will be down in the description below, so you can click those links and get more information. All right, so I'm excited about this review today because I've been looking for a studio microphone set like this for a long time. I want to use it for my live streams and for other things. But anyhow, so I'm excited about this. So I got my hands on this Maono, M-A-O-N-O. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Maono, I think. Anyhow, I got my hands on this studio microphone set right here. So this is what we're going to be reviewing today. So stick around and let's get this started. So first things first, let's show you this microphone. So this is it right here. I am still using the lapel microphone, by the way. So yeah, basically this is it. You've got your one arm here, two arms. You have your attachments up here along with the microphone where the microphone sits. This is where the connection is going to go here. And then you have your pop filter. I know some of you guys out there want to know the super specs on this. I'm not a super technical guy. I mean, come on, this is Dad's Den Review. It's not like I'm like, it would be called like Superman Tech Review if I knew all that stuff. But anyhow, this gives 96 kilohertz to 24 bit. So if you're into all those super specifications, those are the numbers. So they say this microphone is good for speech, singing, and voiceovers. The condenser microphone comes with a professional sound chipset. This is a plug and play. You plug it right into USB and you are good to go. Along with the pop filter, it also comes with the windscreen for the microphone. So this microphone is compatible with all laptops, PCs, Macs, even your iPhone. However, if you're going to connect it to your phone, you're going to have to get an additional OTG adapter, and it does not come with it in this box. What you get in the box is this: condenser mic, adjustable scissor arm stand, metal shock mount, pop filter, foam microphone windscreen, table mounting clamp, and your USB cable. All right, let's talk build quality. So the clamp itself is very strong. It has rubber on the inside so it doesn't scratch your desk. Very durable. And the arms here, the scissor arms here, have 4 different springs connected to the arms. And then you move up here, you have your connection here where you're going to connect this portion of the microphone stand. And then from there, this microphone basically just slides right in here and it clamps and holds it really nice and tight in there. There's a rubber also there so it won't scratch the outside of the microphone. Then again, it comes with the windscreen and the pop filter. The pop filter itself just connects to one of these arms here. You can put it and adjust it to however you want. You can slide this down if you want. You can keep it, basically extend it, bend it, however you want to do it. So now the part that you've all been waiting for, let's get into the performance. Again, I have been using this lapel microphone. This is a Comica microphone. I did a review on this, so if you want to see the review on this, I will leave the link below in the description, or I'll put it up in the card up here. But either way, you can take a look at that review. So what I'm going to do, again, I'm not going to re-record anything with this microphone because you've been listening to it the entire time, but I'm going to switch over to the Maono microphone. Then I'm going to use the microphone that's built into the Canon 80D camera that I'm using there. So let's get this started. All right, so to get this set up, it's as simple as plugging this guy in here, then taking the USB portion and then connecting it to my laptop here. So let's slide this in. And now we're connected. All right, so I'm talking in the same tone that I've been talking the entire video. I'm now using this microphone, the Maono Studio microphone set. So what I want you to do is tell me in the comments below what sounds better. Is it this microphone or is it the lapel that you were hearing earlier? And also next, what we're going to do is we're going to use the Canon 80D built-in microphone so you can hear the difference on that. I'm using the pop filter right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually remove this pop filter and we'll see if this sounds any different. Does that sound any different when I remove the pop filter? So either way, like I said, I'm using this microphone here, so let me know what you think. All right, so now I am talking in the same tone. I haven't changed anything, and I'm using the built-in microphone on the Canon 80D camera that you're watching me on right now. So let me know what sounds better. Is it the Canon 80D? Is it the Maono? or is it this lapel mic that I'm using from Comica? All right, so I decided to add one more microphone into the mix. I am now using a Comica boom mic that is on top of the camera. So this is the Comica V30 Lite. I have done a review on this, so if you want to see a review of this microphone itself, I'll leave that in a link below, or I'll also put that up in the card. So we're using the boom mic above. Let me know if this sounds any better than either the Canon 80D, the Mayano, or the lapel mic. All right, so let's get moving. All right, so I just finished listening to the sound tests with all 4 microphones. I'll rank them from worst to best. The worst, I think, was the Canon 80D. I don't think it was horrible, but it was very airy. You could hear, it's just a lot of white noise on the outside. The second one up, so I guess third place would be the Comica microphone, the boom mic. Which both make sense because they're farther away and they're trying to reach for that volume to come to the microphone. The second best, I think, is the lapel microphone. I think it sounds pretty good. It is a little loud, so I had to dull that sound a little bit. But definitely the best sounding microphone was the Mayano, I'm not gonna lie. I really like the sound of it. It sounded really crispy, really clear. And the windscreen and the pop filter, I think, did a great job as far as keeping out any extracurricular noises. What I want you to do is I want you to leave a comment below which microphone you thought sounded the best. One other quick note, my pug, who is sleeping underneath my desk right now, has been snoring this entire time. So on all 4 microphones, you actually couldn't hear him. So you can always go back and try to listen for him, but I couldn't hear him. So that's just, I guess, bonus points for all the microphones for not hearing the pug sleeping. So I can keep my man card. I do have a boxer as well. I'm not saying that pugs aren't cool dogs, but I'm just saying I do have a boxer as well. So I have a boxer and a pug. The pug's my son's dog. So keep him a man card. But the pug is like his owner. He's kind of chunky, so I don't know. They say you are what your dog is, but I would rather say I'm my boxer, but I think I need to lose a few pounds. So this is currently selling for $58.99 on Amazon in the United States. And like I said at the beginning, if you're interested in finding out more about the Mayano microphone, just click the link in the description. It'll give you more information. Also, if you want to purchase it, you can just click that link. So $58.99 in the United States. Now, as always, I do all the comparison for you, so you guys don't have to do all the homework. I have compared this to other microphones. Now, I can't say that I have reviewed the other microphones, but what I can tell you is the range of these types of microphones, as far as the budget ones go, they range all the way from $31. I see one for $31 that doesn't have a lot of good reviews, all the way up to $100 to $150. Now, if you want a super mic set that is not necessarily a budget mic set, you can get those anywhere. Those range from $200 to $1,000. So just keep that in mind. All right, so final thoughts here, and as always on my final thoughts, what I do is I let you, the watcher, know if I think that this is worth purchasing. If you're looking for a budget microphone set just like this, I would definitely recommend the Mayano microphone set. Like I said, it only costs $58.99, so you're getting a high quality microphone, at least in my opinion, from what I could hear, and I'm sure you listen to the same thing that I listen to. But the sound of this microphone was really, really good. You gotta be realistic when you're looking for budget priced items. So just realize that this microphone for $58.99 is gonna sound like what you heard. So if you're looking for something that's even higher quality, just know that you're gonna have to pay a high dollar for that. For $58.99, I would definitely recommend this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming reviews and upcoming videos. And if you want to see more tech reviews or even food reviews, check out the playlist down in the description below. That's going to wrap up this episode of Dad's Den Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you work smarter, not harder.